What's going on, awesome people of YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can literally go and copy and paste this done for you giveaway cash machine. Now, this is literally going to get automatic sales for you since we're giving away something for free. Now, everybody in today's world loves free stuff. I love free stuff. I'm pretty sure you love free stuff. Now, we're going to be giving something away for free to build trust and a relationship with our lead. And in return, 90% of the time, they support us back. After this lead magnet page where we've given our giveaway, our leads are going to be saved to what you call an email page or list over here, where we will send them out a series of emails every single day, providing them value, giving them updates, and giving them coupons to encourage them to buy our product again or even more. So that is a great way to get multiple sales of the same person at the same time. Then after that, they'll be taken to their free membership area where they can log in and get their free product or free course or whatever it is over here. Then after that, this free membership area is going to upsell them to our sales letter page where we're actually selling a product. Now the thing is, this free membership area that we've given away, 90% of the time the people are going to appreciate that. They're going to want to see more of your product, and over here we can upsell them to another product, check out, and then they will take them to the thank you page over here, and here is where we make our commissions and money. So the best thing we can usually go about this is, a great way is taking ebooks, like a simple ebook, and then we upsell them with a video course or something visual that is seen as an upgrade. So that's the route I'm thinking of this. But before we get started in this value pack video, I'm going to show you how to get all of this for free. I'm also going to give you over $1,200 worth of bonuses in this video, plus 3 free extra courses if you've clicked on today's video. So in the link, or 3 links in the description of this video, I've left links to courses for you guys. I think the one's a Snapchat course and a couple of courses that you guys can go and download for free. Those aren't upsells to any other products. They're just free for you to use as for value for watching my videos on my YouTube channel, as I want you to get the most value as possible. And over here, this is another free epic YouTube video where I'm going to show you how to get all these tools, all my tips, secrets, and tricks with this. Now, I quickly want to show you some of my results from this. So I've been actually using the calendar page on JVZoo over here on the products page, on the launch calendar, where I've actually been promoting products that haven't launched yet. So like I said, people love free and new stuff. When something new comes out, there's a lot of hype around it. For example, a new movie, look at Squid Games. It was out, brand new series. People loved it, billions of views, and now it's starting to die down. People are moving on to another series. Same thing with affiliate marketing. You can actually come over to the launch calendar over here, and you can go and promote products a couple of days in advance before the launch. So when the launch day comes, there is so much hype and virality around that product that has just launched. You'll see over here there's a couple of products that are launching. You can actually leverage that to get tons of more traffic, 200-300% more to your product. But quickly, I just want to show you some results from this. So in the last 24 hours, I've had over 1,034 visitors to my funnel, 23 sales, $1,100 gross revenue, $688.73 net profit to my account. Now, this is just the commission that the company or the affiliate program takes. Yesterday at 756 viewers, 11 sales at $246. So I've made just over $1,000 or close to $1,000 in the last 48 hours. And I will refresh this to show you this is my live JVZoo dashboard. And like I said, while this is refreshing, these sales are constantly going to be coming in simply because I've got such an effective funnel in place. It's going to constantly be generating sales because that email subscriber list is going to get bigger and bigger and bigger. One day you can get to a point where you have an email list of 100,000 people, and this funnel will be making you thousands of dollars of sales every single day for literally just sending out emails. And that's the point to what you can scale with this. But before we go and get started with this, I want you to go down below to the subscribe button of this YouTube channel, whether you're on your phone or your PC, and I want you to click on the subscribe button and put the notification bell on so that you don't miss the latest way on how I make money online. I also want you to comment down below, do you want to see more affiliate marketing content, drop shipping, drop servicing, trading, where I trade live and make profits live on the Forex markets? Comment down below and let me know what you would like to see. Also, make sure to go and follow me on Instagram over here. You can get some epic insight into my personal life. You can actually see some of my podcast content, and you can see some of my trading results live on my stories over there. And you can also message me personally. And with that being said, we're going to come over to the first step over here. And the first step is we're going to come over to this tool over here. I'm going to show you this in a bit. Just make sure to keep watching, and I will reveal this just in a bit. Over here on the apps bar, you'll see if you hover over this, you'll get access to all of your apps over here. Now, I'm going to show you how to get this tool completely for free with over $1,200 worth of bonuses over here just in a bit. Under the apps bar, you want to hover over Funnel Builder over here. Click on Funnel Builder, and it's going to take you to the new page over here where we can go and import done for you blueprints at the click of one button, which saves us hours and days of time of building manual funnels, manual landing pages, manual email lists, whereas now we can save hours and days worth of time by importing it at the click of a button. So we're going to click on add a funnel over here. You can type your own title. So I'm just going to type in JV Zoo, and we can go and select a theme. I usually just like to select the blue theme funnel as it applies with really any product. We can click on create over here, and our funnel has now been created. So we can click on start funnel over here. You want to click on blueprints, click on sales process over here. You want to scroll down and click on giveaway funnel. So click on the giveaway funnel, and you will see your entire funnel will then load up onto this graph over here. You can view all your pages that are going to be in this funnel: the lead magnet page, the form, confirmation email, free membership area where they can get free access to their free product, the sales letter page, and the checkout where you make your commissions after they buy the paid product, and then a thank you page where they can access that over there. So we then want to click on the top right over here, generate website, and our entire funnel will be generated at the click of a button. So let's click on go to website. It will then take you to a section where we can go and view all the pages in this blueprint. So over here, you can see we've got our lead magnet page, confirmation email, our checkout page, sales letter, the free membership area, and the thank you page over here, and then our free membership area over here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and start off with the lead magnet page where we're going to give away our first product. So over here, we can click on edit page over here. We can open this up in this page over here. So here you can see it's pretty much just an opt-in page that looks like this. We download your free digital copy. We can give away a free ebook, a free course, you name it. We can literally give anything away for free over here. So what I'm thinking of, we can start off with something basic. We can come over to a website called idplr.com, which is a free database where we can go and get free courses, free ebooks, free videos, free music sounds, etc. that we can go and give away over 12,590 products without worrying about copyright and licenses, because this website gives us the license to resell and reuse these products. So we can click on products over here, and we can go, for example, over to videos and ebooks. Usually I like to give away video content as people like visual instead of reading ebooks. It just converts better and performs better. So over here, let's just come back over to videos, and let's see what different video products are on this website to give away. Quite a good formula and example that I've come up with is this proven affiliate marketing concepts over here. So we're going to go and click on this product over here, and we're going to go and download this and use this in our funnel, because the product that we're going to sell that I'm going to show you now actually fits so perfectly with this product. It's one thing I wanted to mention: the product that you're selling versus the product that you're giving away, they must relate and have a relation together. So over here, we can go and click on download of the proven affiliate marketing concepts. I think you get 2 free downloads on this website before you have to pay, so you will be able to download it for free. As you can see over here, this product is over 3 gigs, so that means this has a lot of content. There's obviously a lot of value in this, which makes this the perfect giveaway product. As remember, you want to give as much as value to your leads as possible. So I'm just going to give it 20 minutes and wait for this download to complete, and I'll be back. Once this is downloaded, it's going to look like this on your PC. All you want to do is right click on extract here, and this entire video course will then extract to your PC, just so we can go and view what's inside this folder, and then we can go and use this on our funnel as our giveaway product. Take a look at this. If I open up this folder and I come over to the videos, take a look at all the video courses within this ebook. I mean, this is absolutely tons of value just sitting here completely for free. Now we have the rights to go and give this away or resell it. So what we can go and do is we can come over to we just want to come over to graphics over here, and we want to keep this folder open over here with all these pictures of the specific products. And then we want to come back to our page over here and redesign this. So we want to redesign this image and upload the new image of our giveaway product. So we're going to click on the pen of this product over here, click on general settings, click on change image over here, click on select file, come over to the folder where we've saved our giveaway products, come over to the graphics, and we can go and select, for example, let's choose this one over here with all the CDs and the booklets over here. We want to choose the one with the most, with the picture with the most in it so that people can see that this is a lot. We want to select this image over here once it's downloading. Click on save and you'll see over here this picture is now being updated. So what we want to do is we maybe just want to move this a little bit right to make some space over here, and we can actually just increase the size and just make sure everything's lined up correctly. And what you also want to do is just make sure that you can see it's got these like little green lines which helps you to censorize everything, but also click on the phone option over here so that will show you what this page looks like on a mobile device, because remember, most people that's going to access this giveaway is on their phone. You can also view this on a tablet over here, and just make sure everything is lined up perfectly on all 3 devices. So this is all looking good. Then what we want to do is we just want to replace the name of this product over here, or the title of this page, and we can type here proven affiliate marketing concepts. We can put here, for example, $3.97, and we're going to now free to download, just like that. And what we can do is we can highlight this $3.97 and we want to put a line through it, and we can highlight this free over here, and we want to make this like a nice bright green so it stands out. I would say like that, so that it stands out nicely over here. Once our title is complete, click on your email form over here, the email and first name. This is the email list I was talking about, where we're going to save our leads, emails, and username in exchange for the free product. So we want to click on set list over here, the reverse opt-in page over here. So select that as your list, click on save. Then we want to click on the top right over here and click on save. So this page is then saved publicly for anybody on the internet to view. So then click on that's fine. So this page is officially published, and then we can move on to the next page in this funnel. So we just wait for this to save, and there you can see this is now saved. You can close this over here, come back to this page over here where we can view all the pages of this funnel. So we're going to click on then confirm email over here. We're going to edit page number 2. So this page you'll see over here, it's a little bit different. Just one more step to go. What we're going to do is, instead of opening up the email, we're going to have a direct download button on this page over here. So again, we just want to replace this image. Click on edit elements, general settings, change image, select the same image that we uploaded on the first page, and we just want to then realign this, make that a little bit smaller, and put that over there. Then what we want to do is we can actually go and delete this little bar over here. We can click on yes, delete. Just one more step to go. Click on the button below to download your freebie. Then what we can go and do is we want to go and add a button. So we're going to click on the dropouts on the top right over here. We're going to click on elements, and we want to go and add, click on button, and over here we can go and add, for example, let's go and look for a nice theme button. Let's use this yellow one. I like this yellow one. So we can drag this onto our page. We can increase the size of this button, for example, like that. We can go and edit elements over here. We just want to change the text, and we want to go and click on headline and just type here download. And we can make this font size a little bit bigger over here, just like that. And then we want to set the link of this product, or the button. We want to select web page over here, and for the URL, come back to your downloads tab on your browser and just copy the download link of this giveaway that we chose of IDPLR. So come back to your page over here that we're busy editing, paste your download URL, click on open in new tab over here, and then you want to select under advanced options, because we want the page to redirect to our sales page, where we then going to have the paid product. So over here we're going to select web page over here. We're going to click on web page, and we can go and paste the link of the redirection page. So we want to go use this page over here. So we're not actually going to need the other pages in this funnel, simply because our paid product is a it's an affiliate product, so there's already a done for you funnel. We're going to use this page over here for anyone that wants to start a profitable online business. So here you can see this is the page where you're going to get access to a funnel builder called Builderall with over $1,288 in value, completely for free. So to go and get this, you need to come over to builderall.com. This is your dashboard over here. Now, if you want to go and get this entire funnel over here, this one that I'm busy making, all you need to do is leave a like, make sure you subscribe with the bell on, comment down below, and I'll reply with the share link to this funnel so that you can import this to your Builderall account. And if you want to go and get Builderall with all these bonuses, go and click on the second link in the description so you can get Builderall and import completely for free and import the funnel that I'm going to reply to your comments. So this page over here, to go and get that, we need to come over to our affiliates tab over here on our Builderall dashboard that you'll get on the second link down below once you've signed up. Click on Builderall Premium on the left over here under Funnel Club. Over here you'll see, and then you want to come down over here until you see the first 5-day challenge. Copy your affiliate link. You want to come back to your page over here and select this as the web page and click on select over here. So now when people download this freebie, it's going to download that and redirect this page to this landing page over here, which is our upsell. Now, every time you refer someone to Builderall, I'm going to work out what you're going to make. So let's come over to builderall.com, come over to the plans page over here on the top, more or less in the middle. Over here you can see they have 4 different plans: a cheater, marketer, premium, and a funnel club plan. Now, how this affiliate program works is when you sign up to be an affiliate, you're going to get 100% commission your first month. So that means if you refer someone to the marketer plan, you're going to get 100%, $69.90 straight to your account. Every month thereafter, you're going to get 30% of this monthly fee. So what I love about this affiliate program, it pays true passive income. So for all those motivational speakers that say passive income does not exist, it does, and I'm going to prove it to you. If you refer, for example, one person to the marketer plan at $69.90, we can go $69.90 multiplied by 30%. That is $20 every single month. Now, if you set a goal for yourself of 100 people in your first year with this affiliate program, and we multiply this by 100, that is now $2,000 every single month, literally while you eat, sleep, and poop, off of this affiliate program for doing nothing. So now you still have 24 hours in a day to do another side hustle while you're earning $2,000 a month passively off this affiliate program. And remember, on top of this $2,000 a month, you've also earned $60.90 times 100, an extra $6,000 once-off commissions off your first month, because your first month is 100% and every month thereafter is 30%. So you can technically earn a total of $6,990 plus $2,600, just under $10,000 off referring 100 people to this marketer plan over here. So you can go and see how powerful this affiliate marketing program is over here. And just to show you that I've been doing this, if I then come over to my Builderall affiliate dashboard, so not only we're making money off JV Zoo affiliate products, we're also making money off the Builderall affiliate program over here. I've been using multiple products with this funnel. We can come over to affiliates over here. You'll see I'm currently at an estimation of about $12,000 every single month with this affiliate program. I'll reload this to show you that this is my live dashboard, and also an extra 970 euros from people in the United Kingdom that are also paying me through this affiliate program. But what you can also do is, and I've also tried this out, and all the results I got off JV Zoo over here. If you come over to the products tab and click on launch calendar, you can also go and use products over here. So you can use any affiliate product with this. Take a look at for example, today's the 28th. Tomorrow there's 2 products releasing. There's 4 on the 30th, which is Tuesday. And you want to click on, for example, one of these products over here. And you can actually go and get your affiliate link before this product even launches. So you will see if I open up this product page over here and open this in a new tab, you can actually become an affiliate for this product over here. So here you can see this is all about creating videos and spins, and you can actually go and get your affiliate link for this as well. So like I said, this funnel works for any affiliate product. And then what I'm going to do is, instead of just teaching you one normal free traffic or paid traffic way, I'm actually going to give you an entire affiliate marketing and free traffic course so that you can apply as many traffic methods as possible to this funnel. So this funnel that you've now downloaded, like I explained in this video, will now be on your Builderall dashboard, and you will get the link to the first page where your leads can go throughout that entire funnel. I'm going to leave my entire affiliate marketing playlist on the screen over here. So on this playlist, I've got so many different traffic methods that you can actually apply with this funnel. The whole point of this funnel is you want to get as much as traffic through any way possible to this funnel and give away your free product. So you can use Facebook groups, Reddit posts, Quora, Pinterest, TikTok, Instagram, you name it. But this affiliate marketing playlist over here will help you understand more in depth how to get more traffic to this. So this affiliate marketing playlist consists of about my best 300 videos on YouTube in the last 2 years. So make sure to go and click on this playlist over here, and I'll see you there for all the traffic methods.